Alam nyo, I wanted to empathize with Senator Pia's speech earlier. Kaya lang, it's so obvious already that all of this has been staged. Sergeant-at-Arms Mawa Plasca fired the first shot. Kita pa sa CCTV na wala naman silang kaengkwentro. All the shots came from the Senate palabas papunta sa GSIS. And to add insult to injury, hindi ito ang itsura ng mga tao being attacked. You want to see authentic emotion? Tingnan nyo na lang kung ano nangyari kay Zian Ambrosio ng ABS-CBN na nasa GSIS side at yung mga media na nasa Senate. Sila, they were afraid for their lives. At kung talagang may threat, do you think the first job of the security personnel is to evacuate these senators? And all of this para lang patakasin si Bato. Buti na lang the Supreme Court denies Bato's request to block the ICC warrant. Ang nakakalungkot pa, meron pa rin mga panatikong paniwalain. Biruin mo yun. Harap-harapan ka ng niloloko. Ipinagtatanggol mo pa.